Hey, babe, where are we going today?
We're going to go to Goose Island State Park, and it's in Rockport, Texas. That's where the hurricane was back in 2007, Harvey, and it's supposed to be pretty bad. So we're going to check it out and see what it looks like.
What park we going to?
Goose Island State Park.
Okay.
Why?
I'm just curious. I guess we'll see how it goes. How far is it, babe?
How far is it? What? About 39 miles?
Oh, yeah, it's not very far.
It's not far at all. It's a long drive today.
It should be a good day.
But
short, sweet. Don't have to fill up with gas, no water. And what's it gonna cost us there? Do we have a spot or we got reservations?
No, it's full, because all the ones down at the waterfront, all the pretty ones down at the waterfront are getting restored because of the hurricane. So they're not there. Only the park hosts are in there. And the rest of them are full. So they let us have the overflow, which is the parking lot.
Perfect.
So, and it's $10 a night. Just
all
saying.
right, that's pretty
But no hookups. You got a boondock there.
Which is even better because nobody will be there. So we're looking forward to it.
Let's see what it is. Come on, y'all. Run away with us. I want y'all to look at what we're fixing to go over. I'll give you a hint. Let's go over this way a little bit. Oh, can you see it? No, can't see it. Holy Toledo.
Harbor Bridge, 181. Take a look at that's USS Lexington over there.
Let me. Oh my goodness! Can I look at the battleship? Look at the battleship. Cool beans. Oh my goodness! I've never seen that. That's cool. Look at this. Whoa! Look at the battleship.
They were out of ticket. We're gonna go. Look at the planes on top.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
Well, a lot like that. So right at home, huh?
Yeah. Look. Wow. What is it?
Japano Bay.
I want y'all to look at this bridge again. There's a bunch of bridges. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? That's some white beaches down there. Now that's pretty. Are you tired? Very pretty. Wow, we're going way up in the sky. Way up there. Wow. It's not near as mean looking down there as it is in Corpus. What's the name of this town? Rockport. Yeah, we're really close to the state park. Look at that. Woo! Good morning, Runaways. Today we are going to go on a surprise. Chris has a surprise for me. We are in Rockport, Texas. It's really pretty out here. It's got a lot of water. The sun is actually shining today. I guess you can see that. It's really pretty. The temperature is 66 degrees, and we're going to go see if we can find some cool things to do. So I'll let you know what the surprise is. Okay, this is the surprise. It's called Big Tree, and it survived Hurricane Harvey back in 2017. Is that correct? And if you look out here, all these trees are humongous, and they're all live oaks. So let's go look at them.
Wow. Some pretty big trees here. This is called the Goose Island State Park Big Tree.
Look at these trees over here.
They're all really big.
Beautiful.
Around here.
Okay, here it comes. This is the big tree.
all of them are pretty huge.
Yeah, but they got this one actually
This is
fenced off.
wide
Go
angle and it's
into it.
actually fenced off. My goodness, it's huge.
Yeah. You know there was some big ones like this in Austin too, and somebody went in there and killed it. So that's pretty sad. But, oh, this has got a lot of things.
Here's some fun facts. It's 11 feet across the trunk,
You see that?
35 feet around, 44 feet tall, 89 feet across the crown, and 1,000 plus years old.
His age is in excess of 1,000 years. Look at that. Oh, wow.
It's actually a live oak.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
That is way cool.
Big
How
old tree.
pretty. Oh my goodness.
Well, that's a live oak, folks.
Do you see all the
When we
streams
say
they got?
everything in Texas grows big, that's a big old live oak.
That is, and he survived the hurricane. That is so cool.
The trunk is 35 1¾ Wow, that's
Wow.
huge. Feet. That's not inches, folks.
But
That's
look
feet.
at all these curly trees. See all the curliness in them? Their branches are not straight. These are live oaks.
Here's your typical
Look
live
at,
oaks.
there's some big ones out there. Look at that.
I like this one. How it
I like that
sloops
one
down.
back there.
Oh, that big giant one back there
Uh-huh.
too.
Let's go look over here. This is really neat. Oh, look at the canopy across there. Do you see that?
That's got a little angled
Oh, I
canopy.
guess it blew it over.
Probably from Hurricane
Oh, look at that.
Harvey, 2017.
Let's
It's
look.
nice that they fenced this all in.
Look and see what that is over there. Oh, that's just the branches that survived. I guess. No, they're all growing that way. That's really
It
cool.
might have blown over. I'm not sure.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Uh-huh. This is pretty. Needs like a controlled burn. Look at that. Did you get that, honey? That is so pretty.
It's got some brother and sister trees out beside it too. Some pretty good ones
Huh?
inside.
Your brother would love this?
Some brother and sister trees out beside it.
It's probably a boy. And he survived the hurricane. That's really cool. But if you see on this side of it too, it actually has a lot of the trunk. And look how old it is. Isn't that cool? Come on and come this way. I like the way they've got this fenced off like this too. Oh, look at that, Chris. Honey, they actually have
Propped it up.
propped it up. Yeah, well, they've got a lot of strings up there too.
Looks like a limb probably broke off due to the hurricane. A
Well,
couple
they're
of them,
trying
so
to
they
save
trimmed it
that,
up. They've
yeah.
got some strings and straps and stuff to hold it together. Keep this baby going. Been around a long time. Need a little help.
I love this. This is really rustic.
Just the fence alone is pretty cool.
Yeah. Look at that tree out there. He's gone now.
Some pretty good trees out here. That's for sure. Wow, I just can't get over how big the diameter of that trunk is. Of course, these over here are some pretty big trees. Just a bunch of individual ones. But you compare the trunk size of those to this one, there's really no
I want to go
comparison.
see this other tree over there too.
That's a pretty big tree once we get close to it.
Can you do a tripod and have me and you in it? I'm gonna bust my butt. Look at it.
That's a big one. He's probably not 1,500 years
My
old.
grandson would love to have this as a tree house. Oh. I lost myself.
You fall through it.
Ouch. Babe, what'd you think of Big Tree?
Oh my goodness, it was awesome. Those are so pretty. The trees are gorgeous. It's private property over there, and it looks like they're still trying to clean up from the hurricane. And it's a bunch of trees that they pulled down. Now, they also said out here at the park that coming in to the park used to be a complete canopy of trees where you drive through the canopy, which is not good for RVs. I'm just saying that now. But now it's just a bunch of limbs that are just sticking there, and it's kind of...
They've trimmed a lot of them off.
They've trimmed some, but it's still not looking too good. You pretty much will hit your RV on these limbs. Stop! That's enough for today. We will do more tomorrow. I mean, I'll do it not tomorrow, but it'll be in a few more days. We'll put it part 2, because we even have more to show you about maybe birding. Hey. So if you like this, click like. Make sure you share it with other people, because we just need more people to subscribe. And then hit the notification button and we'll tell you when the next one's coming out. Thank you. Bye.
Thank y'all. Appreciate you watching.